Remember, is Pulley on bonds on other files?
Well, he has 3 warrants from us, but that was because he was going to come in and give us $200 down to make a payment plan because he owes over 2 grand. I don't think you gave him a bond for the run.
I
No,
don't
we put
think
him on
so.
personal on that
Yeah,
run.
yeah.
Let me run him in Third Circuit.
Thanks. And the bond rec is for 33,000 or 10%. Nice
That,
round number.
yeah, that's odd. I don't show anything downtown, so if he has
Okay,
anything, it's local somewhere.
thanks. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Pulley.
Attorney Corey Westmoreland appearing on behalf of Mr. Pulley.
Mr. Pulley, can you hear us all right?
Oh, yes. Good morning,
Thank
Judge.
you. All right, we've got a March 17 misdemeanor file. Counsel, would you waive formal reading?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Pretrial date for Mr. Pulley is March 24. My courtroom live at 9:30 in the morning. Counsel, let's talk bond. Have you seen the recommendation from the prosecutor's office or from the police department?
I have, Your Honor.
All right. Tell me something about Mr. Pulley. What should I consider before I set bond?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like you to know Mr. Pulley is currently residing locally in Romulus. He is awaiting disability due to seizures, so he is on a very, very limited income. Any high monetary bond would create a very financial hardship for him. He's currently not on probation or parole. He did assure me after speaking with him at length that he would be appearing at all future court dates and understands the importance of doing so. I would just ask that all that be taken into account when assessing a bond.
All right, the bond rec says he's currently on probation or parole for a felonious assault.
When I spoke with him, he indicated to me that he was not.
Okay, where was the felonious assault charge out of, Mr. Pulley?
That was, if it's from, if I'm not mistaken, I think that was out of Monroe. And if I'm not mistaken, I was supposed to be discharged from that February.
All right. I'm showing warrants out of the 19th District Court in Dearborn and the Lincoln Park Court for fail to appears. You know about those?
Yes, I was aware, if I'm not mistaken, there was I had a crash and I didn't show up to court. I was
Right.
honestly nervous because in the past I had a bigger warrant and I
Okay.
was scared.
All right, so I'm gonna guess there's a fair chance that either Dearborn or Lincoln Park will probably come for you today.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh, multiple failure to appear warrants? That's one of the fastest ways to make a judge lose trust during bond arguments.
All right, and we talked earlier this week, Mr. Pulley, you know you got court dates coming up on April 16th and April 23rd.
Yes, yesterday. Yes.
Okay. Was that yesterday? Seems like it was earlier than that.
Yeah, we talked yesterday.
Okay. Who do you live with on the Hillsbriar, excuse me, Hillsbriar address?
My mother.
All right. And does Alana Dillon live there?
No.
Yes, no?
Oh, no. Sorry.
All right. Counsel, I'm not satisfied with a personal on this one. We got too many fail to appears and unresolved business with courts. So I'm going to set his bond.
And there it is. $10,000 bond with strict no contact rules. The judge is basically saying, I'm not risking more chaos while these cases are still unresolved.
At 10,000, 10%.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Additional condition is no contact with Miss Dillon. Sir, when I say no contact, no social media contact, no phone calls, no letters. Don't ask your friends to see how she's doing. She tracks you down and she wants to get together and have a cup of coffee. She can't change this order. Only myself or another judge in the building. You see her at Taco Bell, you're eating at Burger King. No contact at all. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for counsel before we terminate this meeting?
So $1,000 today.
Correct.
That's all.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your
Thank you,
Honor.
Romulus. Stay safe.
Thank you, no problem.
All right. I believe that's all for me.
Yeah, Ruthie, you got anything else in the works?
That's it for now, Judge.
Okay.
All right. Have a nice weekend if I don't hear from you guys.
Counsel, when you're ready.
Attorney Corey Westmoreland appearing on behalf of Ms. Shimmery.
Thank you. Ms. Shimmery, can you hear us all right?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right, counsel, I've got two files. I've got a drinking and driving file from April of last year, and then I've got the domestic violence that she was just sentenced on, which is what we're here for on the bond violation.
All right. If she was sentenced, I guess I'm kind of confused as to how it would be a bond.
Yeah,
violation.
I just sentenced her on this domestic violence on, well, should say it's a probation violation.
Okay.
She was just sentenced on the 17th, allowed to go back to mom's house and said no, the condition was no assaultive contact. And from the police report I've seen, it looks like the allegation is that she went back and did exactly that.
No, my mom attacked me.
Don't speak, don't speak. You got an attorney to represent you, Ms. Shimmer. You don't want to talk right now. So counsel, I'm thinking I better set it for a
Please.
violation hearing as soon as we can get one.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Ruthie, I didn't think of this until just a second ago, so I probably need to get Emily involved.
You want me to pull her in?
Yeah, or just have her call me in the courtroom, either way.
I think she's around, so let me just go see if she can come.
That's fine, yeah. Tell her to bring her calendar.
All right. I'm on with Emily now.
Ms. Trolley,
Yes, Your Honor.
on Miss Shimmery, I think we've got to set up a bond violation or show cause for a probation violation.
Okay.
So she's currently in custody, so I don't want to wait too long. Any reason why we couldn't do this? Squeeze this in for Monday morning? I've got video
morning,
arraignments and I've got a violation docket with Huron, so we should be able to squeeze it in.
Okay, that will work. What time?
Good attorney.
Van Buren, we're gonna need her here live. So if it's Monday morning, or if she's not able to post bond, are you gonna be able to hold her and bring her in Monday morning?
She would go to the county if she wouldn't be able to post today.
Please talk.
You guys can't hold her till Monday?
Please.
I could request from a supervisor if would be able to
If we
accommodate you.
send her down
until
there, we
Monday.
might not be able to get the paperwork down to them and get her back out here again.
Okay.
Emily, let's set it for, oh, you've already got a violation on here, Ruthie.
Sir, we trying to remove.
We
Yeah,
do
you've
have a
already,
violation date for
I didn't
next
see in
month.
the ROA, you've already got it set for Monday at 8:30, right?
Oh,
Let
let me take a look. Yeah, so Carol just scheduled it at 11. Oh no, this is for.
Yeah, April 23rd, 8:30.
Please, can I?
Okay.
You can ask.
Is this
Alright.
the domestic violence case?
Yes.
Sir? Can I
I
please
have
speak
that
to
on
my
here.
attorney?
I think it's just on the blue ROA for now.
Yeah, that's fine. So that's when we're gonna talk to her on this one.
Okay, what date is that?
Monday at 8:30.
Okay,
All right, Mr. Westmoreland, let's talk about bond on this file.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Shimmery did assure me she would be appearing at all future court dates. She was under the impression that she was allowed back to the home. I don't think that's what's in question.
Well,
But
I distinctly told her she was allowed to go back to the home, but if there were further problems and she was at fault,
I
then that
didn't
would
do
be a
anything.
violation of her delayed sentence. So now we have to determine who was at fault.
Right.
I want more time, please.
Ms.
Ms.
Shimmery, I'm not gonna
Shimmery,
tell
you're going to
you one
stand
more
muted
time.
this time.
One more time. Don't speak because you might hurt yourself by what you tell me. You've got an attorney to represent you now. Let him talk. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, she did assure me she would be appearing at all court dates and understands the importance of doing so. I would just ask to take that into consideration.
Well, where's she gonna go?
Ms. Shimmery, do you have a place you can go other than?
I'm not letting her go back to mom's while this is up in the
She,
air.
No,
she was
I
in the
was
process of moving out.
to avoid this. I was in the process of moving out to avoid this situation because my mother was accusing me of using
Where are you gonna
yesterday's.
go?
I have a boyfriend that I've been with for 7 years, and he said that it's fine. I have a room for my daughter and I for him to go over there. He was
Where
supposed to
at?
pick me up today this morning at 9 o'clock, and instead my mom
Okay,
attacked
Miss
me.
Shimmery, where at? Where does the boyfriend live?
In Dearborn, I can't. 263.
Okay.
I can't.
Okay,
But he was supposed to
I don't
pick me
need
up
the
this
address right now.
morning.
I just want to know where he's physically, where does he live?
Yeah, he was supposed to pick me up this morning. He removed me
Okay,
from the
I didn't answer
situation, and
your
my mom.
question, Miss Shimmery.
I'm sorry. I'm nervous.
You're vomiting this information, and sooner or later you're gonna say something that's not in your best interest. All right, there's also an allegation that you were huffing
No,
at your mom's
my mom.
house.
No, my
I'm
mom was
sorry?
accusing me of that yesterday, so that's why I was planning on leaving today to come to the probation department because
All
she
right.
wouldn't take me, and
Okay.
so that's why I wanted to remove myself from the situation because I knew it was gonna go bad.
All right, so on the
And-
17th, in my courtroom, your mother was happy to have you come home, but between the 17th and yesterday, she decided she didn't want you there. Is that what you're telling me?
This happens often. She attacked me while I was
Okay.
sleeping.
Okay,
She's violent.
all right. Anything else before I set bond?
Not this time, Your Honor.
Bond is 10,000, 10%. No contact ordered with,
Another $10,000 bond drops, and the warning is crystal clear. One more violation, one more bad decision, and this situation could spiral completely out of control.
mom or anyone else at the household. If she's able to post, we got to know that address in Dearborn before she's released. Counsel, any clarification necessary?
Not this time, Judge. Thank you.
All right, Van Buren, thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, Judge.
You as well.
Thanks.
Judge, what was the bond amount?
10,000, 10%.
Thank you.
No contact with the household or mom.
Perfect.
I'll bring the files down.
Thank you. That's all I have for now. Who knows what else?
Thanks.